Breaking updates now coming in. Now, the students have been angry and protesting. Now, the BJP is also staging a protest. The BJP, remember, has already raised the issue, saying that this should lead to the Chief Minister's resignation. In fact, dramatic visuals coming in of the protest. The BJP workers are out on the streets demanding the resignation of the Chief Minister and saying law and order has completely collapsed in West Bengal. The BJP workers have hit the streets. In fact, there were also some details that the accused could be related to the TMC. There is a TMC link is what the BJP has alleged. Ridhita is on the broadcast with the details. Ridhita, the BJP has escalated its attack on the TMC. We're seeing dramatic visuals of the protest.
Absolutely, as we see the BJP protest that has led out in Goriahat from that exact 4-point more. Now this protest, yesterday also we have seen in front of the Kaujba police station, when the police station was gherraud by BJP, not only BJP but also later it was gherraud by Congress and the left wing, just to seek for justice that this city had sought for 10 months earlier when the horrific night or the incident of RG Kaur had happened. And again BJP has come up with one allegation which is very clear, as we get to understand from his Monojit Mishra's Facebook page itself, that he was well about linked with the TMCP party, holding a presidentship in the unit in the very college. So and also other visuals, the pictures with several ministers of the TMC party has surfaced in the wild for us to have a clear understanding of his involvement with the party. So now the BJP has said that this is continuous under Mamta's nose and this has been a regular affair in the party, whereas we have also heard earlier Kalyan Banerjee making a statement that police cannot be everywhere, but...
Yes, the TMC leader making that statement. In fact, we have reactions coming in as well. Before we go to that, Pooja is also live with us. Pooja, what is the BJP's demand? The BJP has spoken about an alleged link between the accused and the TMC, also mentioning Kalyan Banerjee's statement where he said that the police can't be everywhere and the woman should be careful about who she's with.
Well, currently I am at Goriahat. This is a very place where BJP State President and Union Minister Sukhanto Majumdar is staging a protest alongside other BJP leaders. You can see that he has been protesting after this news spread that a girl on campus, a first-year student, was gang raped on cancer. And you can see that police is trying to nab and arrest all the persons. You can see on live visuals how BJP leaders, workers are being apprehended. They are being taken into prison van. They are being taken away because this is a major thoroughfare which has come to a standstill. It has come to a grinding halt, and police is now in fact trying to vacate this entire area, and police is now can be seen fully in action where they are nabbing all the protesters who have come out in huge numbers. You can see that there is traffic here which has come to a standstill, but the protest here is in fact for the girl who was raped on campus. She was gang raped, and they're also raising questions on women's security. So clearly this is a pertinent question that is being asked by opposition parties, including the BJP. What you see behind me is Dr. Sukhanto Majumdar alongside other leaders, and police is trying to nab
so
them.
The BJP has a demand that the TMC should apologize, the Chief Minister should resign, because it raises questions on are women safe in the educational institutions. Pooja and Ridhita, thank you for joining us. Quick break now. We'll be right back.